everyone. Today, Peter and Jamila are taking us to a zoo, and it is located somewhere here. The title of the story is Iyale, Iyawo, and the Big Bear.
Roasted yams. Do you think mother ate a lot of yams before we were conceived? It is believed that the peelings of yams, from which amala is made from, contains an element which leads to the release of more than one egg, resulting in twin pregnancies.
Seriously?
Yes.
Okay.
Once upon a time, there lived a man who had two wives, the first Iyale and the second Iyawo. Iyale was very unkind to the Iyawo. The Iyawo had no food to feed her children, she had no clothes, she didn't have any nice things at all.
The harder she tried to please Iyale, the worse Iyale treated her.
My baby! My baby! My baby! Give me back my baby. Please, I beg you, give me my baby back.
Those coral beads are worth more than your baby.
Please, I don't need them. I just want my baby. Please, I beg you. Have mercy on me. That child is all I have. I can't trade her for all the gold in the world.
Come on, woman. What more do you want?
I just want my baby. Oh, great and powerful bird. Here is your treasure back.
They are yours. I make you a gift of them.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Iyawo was over the moon. She had her baby back and a pile of treasure. In her usual way, Iyawo wanted to please Iyale, so she made her a gift of a few pieces of treasure. Iyale didn't want the gifts. She wanted to know the source. Iyawo recounted her experience with the big bird to Iyale. At the crack of dawn the next day, the mean Iyale took her baby into the forest and laid the baby under the same tall tree from which Iyawo's baby had been taken. Then she went away to make as if she was gathering firewood. When she got back, her baby was gone.
Give me coral, gold and precious stones, and give me back my baby. You stupid bird. Are you deaf? I said, give me coral, gold and precious stones, and give me back my baby.
The bird gave Iyale's baby to a more deserving mother. Good for her. She was willing to risk her child for treasure. Yes. The end. So, did you enjoy my story?
It was okay, Sha. It was okay.
It was okay. It was the best.
No.
Yes, it was.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
It was
It was.
mine.
It was the
It
best.
was.
Yes, it was.
Stop arguing.
Yes, it was the best.
Thank you, Binta Aunt Jamila for this wonderful story. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the best part of the show. Did you enjoy the story? Because I know I did.
Serves Iyawo right. What a greedy woman she was. At the end, she lost everything. No jewelry, no baby, none.
The moral lesson of the story is not to be greedy. She was greedy and rude to the bird.
It's dance time! Today we'll be learning a dance step from the Oyo Kingdom.
Do you know that the Oyo was formed in 1976 in Western States and also includes Osun State, which was split in 1991?
Also, it is a homogeneous state which is inhabited mainly by the Yoruba, who are primarily agrarian.
The title of our song is Ekumero.
Ekumero. Otori gbogbo. Otorun bodan. Ó fẹ́ mu. Kò má lè mú o. Ojú ẹkùn pọ́n. Ìrù ẹkùn le. Ekumero. Otori gbogbo. Otorun bodan. Ó fẹ́ mu. Kò má lè mú o. Ojú ẹkùn pọ́n. Ìrù ẹkùn le.
fun. Really, did you learn as much as we learned?
I'm sure you did. Let's do this again. Same time, same station. Until then, bye!